High-quality products at Nectara begins with how we treat the people around us. How we care for our farmers will be passed on to each coconut trees planted and nurtured by our farmers group. This circle of love, we believe, is what makes Nectara's coconut sugar sweeter for your taste and for your heart. Sustainable productions is our commitment to nature by eliminating the use of chemicals when nurturing trees. These conditions are our effort to comply and maintain organic criteria. After all, it takes a whole organic farm to produce organic goods. Intense and mutual collaborations with our farmers will be our proof when it comes to traceability of our products. The journey of sweet goodness continues in our production facilities where nature's goodness meets modern technology. At Nectara facilities, coconut essence from farmers is transformed into products that are suitable for your daily culinary needs. This is the journey of sweet goodness, essence from the tree of life. It's a gift from Mother Nature, nurtured by a farmer's hand and transformed by technology. It's more than a coconut sugar, it's Nectara, sustainability, traceability, and fair trade.